Hello from Belmont Park, Mission Bay, San Diego. We have a quick trip this weekend to San Diego, actually for a concert. It's kind of an interesting story. We were supposed to come to this concert back in July, and the concert got rescheduled. I don't normally travel when the kids are in school, when they've got to miss some school, but we're coming out here for a concert, so we brought the kids down to the beach, and they're going to try the roller coaster at Belmont Park. It is $8 a piece to ride the roller coaster. They sell a wristband here if you want to ride all the rides, and they've even got an arcade, but we're hitting the beach, so this is just a one-time ride for them. Mission Bay is centrally located in San Diego, and I believe it's the most popular beach area in town. Summer concert series here. There were signs that there's going to be a special event tomorrow, so they must be having some sort of concert here. That's not the concert we're going to, so I have no idea who's going to play here tomorrow. Okay, here's the restroom report from Mission Beach, San Diego. They were still pretty gross, but it was a lot better than Ocean Beach. Those public restrooms were the worst I have ever seen. So Mission Beach is okay if you need to. They're available at the lifeguard station right by Belmont Park. I'm pretty sure that those beach umbrellas are rented out by this place because it's the same umbrellas. So that would be kind of nice. They rent some other stuff too. Beachside rentals. There's a little QR code. They're having far too good of a time. This looks like a great place to come have a beer. We're with the kids who want to do some shopping, so maybe later. Look at all these tents here. Uh-oh. Can you hang challenge? Not sure what that's about, but you can win $100. We're gonna watch the hang challenge. He's gonna try it. This dude's gonna try it. He probably doesn't know that that bar is slippery. Oh! I think they grease it. They must grease it. So we're gonna mill around and do some shopping and maybe find something to eat. So my husband looked up the Belmont coaster, and it was built in 1925. Good thing it didn't break. It's okay, we have a fridge. So we're getting some Mexican tacos, rolled tacos, burritos at this place called, what is this place called? Mercy's. Mercy's Taco right across from the Belmont coaster. Let's see how it is. I'll show you where we're staying for this short trip we're taking. We were looking for something cost effective that had multiple living spaces since we were bringing a friend along on this trip. My girl has her eye on the churros. Churros! So we've been having this ongoing discussion with our family about churros. And we were in the La Jolla area and we got a churro. And it was like liquidy inside. Maybe like super doughy, but basically it didn't seem like the churro was cooked. So I want to know what you think. Is that normal? Is the churro supposed to be that way? I don't think so. She didn't eat it because we were afraid, you know, raw eggs and the dough, whatever. We're gonna try some here and we'll see how they are. Have you ever been in a location that says you have 4 bars, but nothing will load? That happens to me a lot. There's a helicopter and sirens. I wonder if something's going on or if it's just a coincidence. We parked way down there, and if you drive around long enough, you'll eventually catch somebody backing out. We got lucky, and it was free. So that's surprising.